I've got these old leather boat shoes that I've had for years, and one of the side panels has separated from the sole. So let's see if this glue can actually bring them back to life. So the company that makes this leather glue, Drea Life, sent me a bottle to try out. This video's a little more for the leather consumers out there who just want to fix their stuff rather than craft it from scratch. But honestly, it could apply to both. This one's a super glue for leather repair specifically, and it's meant for things like purses, bags, sofas, car seats, and shoes. The big claim is that it bonds fast, like 10 to 30 seconds fast, and stays flexible once it's cured. It also comes with these little precision nozzles that make it easier to apply exactly where you need it, which helps if you're trying to not make a mess on something you actually wear. So to start things off, I just made sure there wasn't any dust or old glue, and then I started adding a thin layer along the edge of the sole. One thing to note, this glue is a little bit runny. It spreads easily, but you'll want to be careful not to overdo it or it'll just start dripping out of the sides. The precision tip helps a lot with control, but definitely go slow if you're working on something visible. It sets fast so you only have a few seconds to line things up before it starts grabbing. It dries clear and doesn't have a strong chemical smell, which is nice if you're doing this indoors. So I went ahead and let this cure for a full day, and the repair looked pretty much invisible. You'd have to know exactly where to look to even notice. The bond feels solid and still really flexible, which is what you want for something like shoes. No stiff spots, no white residue, and it bends just like it should. For small fixes, like shoes, wallets, or furniture seams, this glue does a really nice job. And honestly, for around $5 a bottle, it really doesn't hurt to have one sitting around the house or in your workshop for quick fixes. I wouldn't use it for full leather projects, but for everyday repairs, it's definitely worth keeping on hand. If you want to check it out, I'll link it below. You could also find it in my link tree, which is in my bio. Purchasing through that link helps support my channel and allows me to continue making content for you, so I really appreciate it. If you've ever tried this glue or have another one you swear by, let me know in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.